First day, today date 28th, 8th month 2020. Subject pattern, class 4. Good morning, my dear students. Class 4. I hope you all are doing your studies well. Obey to your parents, eating healthy food, and not going outside. As we know, the virus spreads very all over Sikkim right now. So be safe, stay home safe. Always be with your books. That is your good precautions. Okay? Don't roam here and there because you are a small child. Okay? The virus can attack you fast. So, saying that, today let us start our lesson. Today I am going to teach you about Name Tuba. Last time we have taught in Name Ngapa. So, what do you mean by Name Tuba? Okay? Lobseng Ishuba. Lesson 20. The topic is Name Tuba. Page number 97. Those who have books, you can turn on the page number 97. Those who don't have books, just I will click and send it to your WhatsApp group. So, from there you can see and write it down your question answers and your work. Okay? And if you don't have books, you watch there and you see the online classes through YouTube. Nansui Techai nouns in our talk. Kongite, his book, Kyunyugu, yours pencil or pen, Shenki Natsa, others import, Ngai teaching, my scale or my ruler, Koi Hyanyuk, his pencil, Hyanyuk pencil. Serva dinam Name Tuba is. This type of sentence are known as Name Tuba. This type of sentence are known as Name Tuba. How can we say this is known as Name Tuba? How can we say this is Name Tuba? Kong, Ki, Shen, Na, Ko, Tabu. Diri, Dakuham, Jelshi Tangs. Kong, you, Ki, you. Shen, others, na, mine, ko, he. This type of sentence, these type of words are the honor of a thing, or Jelshi means or he had a combination with that things. Ki, he, nam, Jelda is means he. These 5 are the main points of delta. So what is delta? I will tell you later on. These 5 he are the main points of delta. Te, nyugu, natsa, fixing, shangyu, taku, dirigla, ze, sam, jelchi, serwa, res. Te, book, nyugu, pen, natsa, ink, fixing, scale or a ruler, shangyu, pencil. These type of sentences are known as zepa. This type of known as ze some things or jelchi, which that person can use, which I can use, which you can use, which other can use. So if these type of sentences are there, they are known as Name Tuba. Dornas definitions are Jelshi Khanata Jelshi Te Hinpa Ki Shepe Zite Ki Zora Tende Hila Name Tuba Delda Serers. Jelshi, the things which we use, the things who is using, Kong, you. Tang Jelshi, with what he is using means take. Book, Yinpa, and the main point Ki, Kakiku Ki, Shepe, Sikteki, Zora Tebe, which shows you the sentence Tela, Name Tuba, Jelda Seres. These type of sentences are known as Name Tuba. So, what do you mean by Name Tuba? What do you mean by Name Tuba? Name Tuba Kodeni, definition of Name Tuba ni. Chengi Nachi Jewa Tora Tempi Idenki Name Shingla Tuba Delda said, Chengi, two things, two persons, which they use which they can use if we have that type of sentence is known as Nami Rupa Delta. I am teaching. That means that this type of sentence are Nami Rupa. I am teaching. Ni Tep Labgi use. Ni ki. I am using the main things kai the kya ki. Ni ki. I am teaching you a book. Ni ki Tep Labgi use. I am teaching you a book. Tibetan books or Tibetan subjects. Books in Labgi use. These type of sentences are known as Nami Rupa Delta. Once again, the person and the things which they can use, that type of sentence are known as Nami Rupa Delta. Chi means two things, ni means two. Chi means things, ni means two. Two things. Nachi Jewa told them that before and after, which makes a complete sense. That type of sentence are known as Nami Rupa. Nami Rupa. Idin Tora Tempe Idin Ki Nami Rupa Delta, she says. Page number 98. The examples are there how we can use ki, where you can use ki, he, and he. Where we can use this he, and he. Okay, now we can see that sentence over there. The examples are given you there. Delta equal to definition of delta, sentence of delta. Delta with what you are using. First line, top line. Delta you take the main points of delta. Delta. Who is using? Yak Kisha. Meat of yak. Yak Kisha. Delta, the meat and yak. Okay, whose meat is this? This is yak meat. We can smash it together. Yak, ki, sha. Okay, this is yak and this is sha. This one is yak and here is sha. So with the help of ki, so if we make it, smash it together, then we can say that yak, ki, sha. This type of sentence they have a complete sense which we can understand. This type of sentence are known as, if there is a goat, if there is a pig, and if there is a meat, and we cannot say that this meat is yak, because here we have a pig. So if there is a yak and if there is a meat, so we can tell that this meat is yak's meat. So this type of complete sentences are known as Nami Rupa Delta with the help of ki. We are using Kakiku ki. Now where we can use Kakiku ki? Okay? Hirkiyul. Tibet place. Hirkiyul. Delshi, where we can have the place that is Tibet, and Delshi is place. Which place is this? We are here and we cannot say that I am in Tibet. So we can say I am in Sikkim. I am in India. Okay? This type of sentence are known as delta. Ki. Delta means we have a which has a combinations. Okay? Tom Kipu. Fur of a bear. Tom Kipu. Tom means bear. Pu means fur. Okay? Tom Kipu. Tai Yu. Tai Yu. Okay, Ta means horse, Tiu means a baby horse. We say the baby horse Tiu. Okay? Tai Tiu. If there is a baby horse and if there is a donkey, we cannot say this is a baby horse baby to the donkey. So we cannot say that there must be a horse and there must be a baby horse baby. So when we smash it together, when we combine it together, which make a sense, that is known as Tai Tiu. Ji Oma. Ji Oma. Again, be careful here now. Ji Oma. Ya is the male and Ji is the female, which has the same this one. Four. Same animals. Like cow and ox. Okay? Gai, in Nepal we know Gai, Guru. They are animals. So the same thing, the female yak we say Ji and the male yak we say yak only. So yak tea oma. Milk of a tea. We cannot say yak oma. The yak doesn't give us milk because yak is a milk. The animals which give us milk, that is known as tea. Okay? Tea oma. Milk of a tea. These type of sentences are known as Name Rupa Delta. Okay? I think you got it. So that is the chapter of Delta. So after that we will do question answers. Then I will mark and send it to you. Then according to this, fill in the blanks. You do it yourself. Copy it. Okay? From the right side you have to see and choose the correct answer and put it in the gap. Okay? Their options are given you there. Tak dash narda. Tak dash narda. Taki narda. Narda. Tak means a tiger. Tiger roar. Which sentence you will use? Kakiuki saki or kakikuki? Because kakiuki saki is not there. No, kakiku ki definitely we have to use kakiku ki only. Ridaki Gyalpo. Ridaki Gyalpo. King of a jungle. Ridaki Gyalpo. Kaida kakikuki or kaida kakikuki saki. Kaida kakikuki saki is not there. So we have to use kaida kakiku ki. Okay? Lanjing ki topshuk. Power of elephant. Power of elephant. Kaida kakikuki or kaida kakikuki. Kaida kakikuki saki or kaida kakikuki. So we have to use kaida kakikuki without having yangjuk. The sentence is there. We have to use there. Singei jinyam. Singei jinyam. Singei means a lion. Lion. Singei jinyam. Singei jinyam. Yakui. Why yakui sai? Don't use yakui sai because only yakui is there in the main point. So yakui why pakpa. Skin of a fox. So you have to use that. So after that, number ka shamsa karton tamsu jelji tham jelji ni dam cheese chagi. Okay, this I will mark and send it to you. You can write it, or you can do it. This also very easy. Chak-ki zumu. Chak means hands. In your hand, what is that? Fingers. Zumu means fingers. Ligi genja. Ligi genja. Body we use ornaments or we use clothes. Ligi genja. Chenki. Chen means eye. We have an eyebrow. Babu. Chenki. Babu. Navi. Kai from a leaf. Chop. Kai kecha. So the last one is Nai Zima. Okay? So that I will mark and send it to you. So true and false you do it yourself. Last one, true and false you do it yourself according to the main points. You have to see these main points. Ki. If there is yangju, you just make it cross. If there is no yangju, if the sentence is ki, you just put it tick. Okay? So that will be your home assignment for class 4. Till then, stay home safe. Do your study well. Obey to your parents. Don't roam here and there. As I told you before, beginning of my class, virus spreads all over the skin. So be careful, take precaution. Okay, whenever you go outside, use your mask, eat healthy food, and stay home safe. Till then, thank you. Tuesday.